Okay, this video is regarding number 25 on the benchmark, and we're going to call this complete the square. The problem reads, Kelly is completing the square to solve the equation 2x squared minus 32x equals 10. Which equation could be the result of completing the square? And if you look at your answer choices, you see that we're not going to finish this problem all the way. We're going to bring it to a certain point, and then we're going to pick the appropriate equation. So let's start. We know we have 2x squared minus 32x equals 10. Now, when solving, use completing the square, the first step is to move c to the right. That's already done for us because c would have been negative 10. When we moved it to the other side, it became 10. The next step is to then divide the coefficient by anything other than 1. So we have our divide the quadratic coefficient, which is a, or divide a, by anything other than 1, because we want that quadratic coefficient to be 1. So we're going to divide everything by 2, and we're left with x squared minus 16x equals 5. Now, what we're looking for is that magic number. Now, the way we showed you in class, or some of us showed you in class, we know that our a is negative 16, and we know that we are trying to come up with the binomial squared. A binomial squared is a number that is the same. I mean, we're going to find two factors that are the same that we can add together to get negative 16. Well, that would be negative 8 and negative 8. So when we do that, if we multiply those two numbers together, we get positive 64. Now, this is our magic number. Now, another way that some of you may know is that you can take your middle number, your b, you can take that negative 16 divided by 2 and square it, and you're going to get negative 8 squared, which also gives you 64. Either way, you will get the same answer. So let's add 64 to both sides. Equals 5 plus 64. We know that this is a binomial squared, so this is going to be x minus 8 squared, and then 5 plus 64 is 69. So the correct answer would be B. Please remember that once you add that magic number to both sides, you need to make sure that you simplify the right-hand side. So 5 plus 64 is 69. So now what I need you to do is I need you to pause this video. I need you to solve this problem and put the correct answer in the space provided on your answer sheet.